Hey there! Here is a cool product. 10 teabag mockups. 2 of them are PSD files that I'm making available to you for free. Go take a look at the description to download it. Here is what the pack consists of. All the files presented are in 1200 dpi and have a size between 3300 pixels and 6000 pixels. What's inside? If you download my pack, you will have 10 PSD of great quality and easy to use. Here a user guide. Each PSD has layers named, sorted and easy to use. Here's some steps to use this mockup. You can hide the string by clicking on the eye of the layer. Or change its color easily by double-clicking on the blue layer box named Change String Color. And using the Color Picker panel, you can choose the color you want. To integrate your visual on the teabag label, you just have to double-click on the image of the purple layer named Add Your Design here. A new workspace will open. Hide or delete the visual already there and drop your design there. Then save with Ctrl+S, which will automatically integrate your design to the visual. If you want a more realistic rendering, you can modify the Modify Texture, which is a brightness and contrast layer. The same thing to integrate your visual directly on the teabag. Double-click on the purple layer named Add Your Design here. In the new workspace, hide or delete the existing design and put your design there. Then save with the Ctrl+S. Back to our mockup. You can change the background color of the bag by double-clicking on the box of the blue layer named Change Color. Use the Color Picker panel to choose your color. In order for your design to blend in with the color you have chosen, you will have to change the blending mode of the purple layer. Here for this case I use Linear Burn. Same principle to change the background color of the label. Double-click on the box of the blue layer named Change Color, and use the Color Picker panel so that your visual integrates best with the color you have chosen. You will have to change the blending mode of the purple layer. Here for this case I use Linear Burn. You can also change the background color of the mockup by double-clicking on the layer Background Color. Then you just have to use the Color Picker panel to choose the color you want. A second case. If you want to integrate a colored logo, you will have to adjust the green layer, Modify Texture, by playing with the parameter, brightness and contrast. Then unlock the red layer, Texture. On this layer you will play with its background opacity. Play with these 2 parameters to integrate your visual at best. Same thing to integrate your logo on the teabag. Adjust the parameters of the green layer, Modify Texture. Then unlock the red Texture layer and change its background opacity. Change these 2 settings to best fit your visual. And that's all. If you want to get this visual for free, go and have a look at the description.